Students, let us see this session now. Parameters of unit cell in a simple cubic. This edge length A and this edge length B and this edge length C. So all these edge length are equal and angle, but depends upon the system. I mean unit cell, it may get vary. So for the angle between B and C is alpha angle, and between C and A, beta angle, between A and B is a gamma angle. So this A length, B length, C length are called as a axial lengths, and edge length are called axial length. Alpha, beta, gamma are three angles or axial angles. Angle alpha between the edges of B and C, and angle beta is between the edges of C and A, and angle gamma between the edges of A and B. So this A, B, C or the edge length, and alpha, beta, gamma or the axial angles are called as a six parameters: A, B, C, alpha, beta and gamma. So in a seven crystal systems, this we are going to relate this these six parameters. So when the unit cell crystal lattice as crystal points, only at corners is called as a simple or a primitive unit cell. That is, what is crystal lattice and what is lattice points. Imagine here these are soldiers are standing in line by line for parade, means how uniformly they will stand and how uniformly they will do exercise and all, that is called military system. In a line by line they will stand up. So that is called as a crystal points. So these are points are soldiers are like crystal points. The space between these points is called lattice space. So now we will see that cubic, there are seven types of the systems of cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal or rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. So in this, that first letters I have taken outside. So CT, OT, HMT. CT, OT, HMT, like that. Don't change this order because it will be easy for you to by heart the table with the angle and the edge length values. So cubic C, chief, tetragonal, told, and orthorhombic, other, trigonal or rhombohedral, T, technician, hexagonal, higher, monoclinic, motor, triclinic, tools. Chief told other technician to hire motor tools. So if you by heart this sentence, you can write the cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. Uniformly we can write it. There are 14 types of space lattice. The space between the lattice points is called space lattice. They are called as a Bravais lattice. So he is the one of the scientist, French mathematician who discovered this one. Described all these cubes. So what, to honor him, his name is given as a Bravais lattice. So here are 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais I have written here. Here a crystal system and here Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice is nothing but primitive and non-primitive unit cells. Primitive is a simple cubic. Non-primitives are body-centered, face-centered and end-centered. So here are the cubic C, tetragonal T, orthogonal O, trigonal or rhombohedral T, hexagonal H, monoclinic M, triclinic T. So here chief told other technician to hire motor tools. So here you just remember like this. And cubic system contains one primitive and two non-primitive. One primitive, simple cubic, non-primitives are body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic. So totally it has 3 units in cubic. 3 lattice spaces. That is called Bravais lattice is called 3 in cubic. Then tetragonal. So it has one primitive and one non-primitive of body-centered. Totally we have 2 space lattice. Then orthorhombic, that is 1 primitive and 3 non-primitive. Primitive simple cubic and non-primitives are body-centered one, face-centered one, end-centered one. So totally 4 space lattice. Next, trigonal or rhombohedral, only 1 primitive, simple cubic. Hexagonal also contains only 1 primitive, simple cubic. Monoclinic contains 1 primitive, simple cubic and end-centered. Totally 2 lattice spaces. Triclinic, only 1 primitive. So for trigonal or rhombohedral, hexagonal and triclinic or contains only primitive, only simple cubic, no non-primitive. And one more thing is orthorhombic and monoclinic alone contains the end-centered. I have written in a red color. So these two are only containing end-center. These are the 1 marks. So they will ask you which systems contains the end centers only, means you should say orthorhombic and a monoclinic. And cubic, it is considered as a symmetrical one, and triclinic we will consider as an unsymmetrical one. Let us see this. How many Bravais lattices are there? Already we told you that is 14 Bravais, nothing but it is called Bravais is nothing but what? It is a space lattices. I mean, it is called as a crystal lattices with the lattice points with the space. Here, this is called 14 types of space lattice called Bravais lattice. This is called space between the atoms. Here, a primitive body center, face center 3, primitive body center 2, primitive body center, face center, end center 4, only 1 primitive, and 1 primitive, and 1 end center, and 1 primitive. Totally 3 plus 2, 5, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. So totally 14 Bravais. Now we are going to see about the axial, edge length, as well as it is called axial distances and axial angles. That angle, first we will see the axial distances, edge lengths, that is called A and a BC. All are equal in a cubic, A equal to B equal to C. So it is called as a symmetrical because even the angles also equal. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Then when you see this a triclinic, just opposite to the cubic. So all are that is not equal. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, alpha is not equal to beta, is not equal to gamma, gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So diagonally they are vary. So this is called symmetrical cubic and this is called as a unsymmetrical cubic. Even this also 1 mark question. So let us see the axial angles. Alpha is equal to beta equal to gamma. This is 90 degree. Now we'll see the first yes. We should see the axial distance. A is equal to B is equal to C for cubic. Then tetragonal A is equal to B is not equal to C. And orthorhombic A is not equal to B is not equal to C. So this is not A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So first 3 you by heart like this. Then the next 3 also same thing. Fourth one same as the first. A equal to B equal to C. Next second as like second. A is equal to B is not equal to C. Then orthorhombic everything is not equal to. So even here also monoclinic A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So like that you are copying 6 without any struggle, easily you can write it any intermixing. Then you already I told you about a triclinic, everything is a not equal. Next, same way for a axial angles also. First 3 you just see all equal to 90 degree. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. And tetragonal also alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. And orthorhombic alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. But trigonal or rhombohedral alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, but gamma is not equal to 90 degree. But hexagonal, you remember gamma is equal to 120 degree, whereas alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. And monoclinic alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90 degree. The beginning itself, I told you, triclinic, very easy. Everything is not equal to 90 degree. So these are the examples. You by heart all the examples, then respective cubic. Any one example, they will ask you to say what is the crystal system for this example they will belongs to. They will like that, they will ask you. So be thorough this, don't change this letters. Be thorough this letter. Chief told other technician to hire motor tools. So you can remember cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal or a rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. And one marker, that is only orthorhombic and a monoclinic crystal system have a end-centered unit, and this is the diagram for you to show that is how much the end-centered atoms are present in this. So cubic is mostly symmetric and triclinic is mostly is a unsymmetric. Thank you, students.